Imagine this, it's 20 below zero, the snowstorm of the century is raging, and you're stranded. You think you know how to stay safe. But what if everything you've been told about surviving in extreme winter weather is wrong? In fact, believing these common myths could be the difference between life and death. Let's start with myth number 1. You can drink snow to stay hydrated. Sounds logical, right? But what if I told you? It's one of the most dangerous mistakes you could make. Here's the truth. Eating snow drops your body temperature rapidly, increasing your risk of hypothermia. The real solution? Melt and heat the snow first. It might save your life. But that's just the beginning. Myth number 2 is one almost everyone believes, and it's even more dangerous. Think you're safe in cotton clothes or blankets? Think again. Cotton traps moisture and actually pulls heat away from your body. What you need is wool or synthetic layers designed to insulate, even when wet. But there's one myth that has claimed more lives than any other. Myth number 3, if you're freezing, you should build a fire immediately. Sounds reasonable, but here's why that's deadly. If you waste precious energy and fail to insulate yourself first, you'll lose body heat faster than the fire can warm you. The key? Build a shelter first to block the wind, then focus on fire. Surviving extreme winter weather isn't about luck, it's about preparation. And now, you know the truth about these fatal myths. But here's one final tip that could make all the difference. Always carry a small emergency kit with a thermal blanket, fire starter, and water purifier. These 3 items could turn a deadly situation into one you walk away from. Don't let myths cost you your life. Prepare, stay informed, and always question what you think you know, because in a winter survival situation, the truth is your greatest weapon.